How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our new flash patterns with our dual memory K-Force mini light bars. So first up here, I have our K-Force Micro 21 TIR in an amber color setup, and in Power Mode 1, I have one of our combo style flash patterns called Combo Patrol, and you'll see that we'll run through a sequence of a combo style flash pattern. And then right past Combo Patrol, you'll find our Combo Rapid flash pattern. So I'll go ahead and hit pattern here. Now that will go through the Combo Rapid combo style flash pattern, and you'll find those at the end of your pattern sequence. And you will have 30 flash patterns on our TIR models of our mini light bars. And then in Power Mode 2, I have our 1-1 to 2-2 style flash pattern there, for example. So that's just a few examples of our new flash patterns. And again, this was our K-Force Micro 21 TIR in an amber color setup, but we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So next up here, I brought our Multicolor K-Force 27 mini light bar in a red-blue color setup. Now in Power Mode 1, I have another one of our new flash patterns called Single Pong, and you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between the primary and secondary colors of red-blue, and that's a multicolor linear benefit on our K-Force mini light bars. And then in Power Mode 2, I went ahead and showed you the Combo Patrol combo style flash pattern there in a multicolor setup. And again, after your Combo Patrol style flash pattern, you will have your Combo Rapid style flash pattern there as well. And those are near the end of your pattern sequence. And on our Multicolor Linear models, you will have 40 flash patterns to choose from. And another benefit with our Multicolor Linear models is at the end of your pattern sequence, you'll find 4 patterns in your primary color and 4 patterns in your secondary color. So let me show you that here. So if I hit my pattern button at the end of the pattern sequence, after Combo Rapid, I'll have pattern 1 in red, and then I'll have pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then past my primary colors, I'll have 4 in my secondary. And again, this was a red-blue color example. So here's red, and then I'll be to blue. So I have pattern 1 in blue, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. Now let's go over an additional benefit with our Multicolor Linear. So with our Multicolor Linear paired with dual memory, you can run your primary and secondary colors individually by using your 2 power modes here. So for example, I went ahead and programmed a red flash pattern in Power Mode 1, so you'll see my light bar is only flashing red, and then I can switch over to Power Mode 2 and I have an all blue flash pattern program, so I can easily swap between my color A and color B with my dual memory paired with multicolor. And for example, this was a red-blue color setup, so red would be my primary color and blue would be my secondary, but we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options for any application. So that covers a few of our new flash patterns on our K-Force mini light bars. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demos, our flash pattern videos, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.